Have you ever wondered what would happen if you only ate meat for 30 days? Some say this diet is the golden key to losing weight, building muscle, and improving overall health. They claim, "I've never felt better," but others warn it could be your body's worst nightmare. So what's the truth? Is this a miracle diet or just a dangerous trend? In this video, we'll uncover everything, from unexpected physiological changes to potential benefits and hidden risks. You won't want to miss these shocking revelations. Get ready, because this journey isn't for the faint of heart. Let's dive in right now. Welcome to the carnivore diet, where the menu consists of meat, and more meat. Sounds strange, doesn't it? Yet, this is a booming nutrition trend spreading worldwide. Followers of this diet believe that by eliminating all carbs, vegetables, and fruits, they can achieve optimal health, rapid weight loss, and even improve chronic conditions like arthritis and digestive disorders. But how can eating only meat possibly deliver these benefits? Unlike traditional diets that encourage you to eat plenty of fruits and greens, the carnivore diet cuts out these foods entirely. Instead, your diet consists entirely of animal-based products like beef, chicken, fish, eggs, and even organ meats. And it's not just lean cuts. You need to include plenty of animal fat to provide enough energy, especially as your body enters ketosis, where it starts burning fat instead of sugar for fuel. It sounds tempting, but it also raises skepticism. Can this diet really deliver the miraculous results it claims? Or is it just a dangerous trend hiding serious health risks? Stay tuned, because up next, we'll explore the changes your body might experience when you eat nothing but meat. So, what really happens when you start eating only meat? The first week is the toughest challenge, and not everyone makes it through this phase easily. When you stop eating carbs, your body loses its primary energy source from glucose, forcing it to switch to a state called ketosis. This is when your body begins burning stored fat for energy. It sounds great, but the process isn't easy. Many people experience what's known as the keto flu, a set of symptoms including headaches, fatigue, sugar cravings, nausea, dizziness, and a feeling of having no energy at all. But don't worry, this is just a temporary, natural reaction as your body adjusts to a new energy source. To get through this phase, many people use bone broth, add salt, and drink plenty of water to help stabilize their bodies. If you can push past the first week, things start to turn positive. Many people report feeling less hungry, having more energy, and noticing improved focus. This is a clear indication that your body has shifted into an optimal fat-burning mode. In particular, you might see rapid changes in your weight. As your body sheds excess water due to the reduction in carbs, you could lose several pounds within just 1 week. But that's only the beginning. Once your body fully adapts, will the benefits continue, or are there hidden risks waiting ahead? Stay tuned to uncover the unexpected changes when you eat only meat for 30 days. After overcoming the challenging first week, you'll start to notice the unexpected benefits of the carnivore diet. These are the positive changes many have experienced and shared. One of the most obvious benefits is rapid weight loss. By cutting out all carbs and sugar, your body is forced to burn fat as its primary energy source. This leads to reduced belly fat, improved body composition, and a lighter, leaner feeling. Many people have reported significant improvements in skin conditions like acne and dermatitis when they only eat meat. This could be due to the elimination of inflammatory substances like lectins, oxalates, and gluten, often found in plant foods. Additionally, eliminating fiber and sugar helps alleviate symptoms of bloating, indigestion, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. For those with sensitive digestive systems, the carnivore diet can provide a sense of relief and comfort. After the adaptation phase, many people find they have more energy and feel more alert. This is because the body has adapted to ketosis, using fat and ketones as the main energy source for the brain, which enhances focus and reduces brain fog. A diet high in protein and fat also supports muscle growth and recovery after workouts. Meat proteins contain all the essential amino acids, making it more effective for building muscle compared to plant-based protein sources. There's no need to worry about counting calories, measuring carbs, or calculating portions. The carnivore diet makes daily meals hassle-free. You simply eat until you're full, without the need to count calories or track portions. Additionally, this diet helps control cravings due to the high protein content and the satiating effect of fats. With all these benefits, it's no wonder more and more people are trying the carnivore diet. But is it really the golden key to health, or are there hidden risks we haven't seen yet? Stay tuned to uncover the potential downsides and risks of following this diet long term. With all its potential benefits, the carnivore diet sounds incredibly appealing. But don't be too quick to dive in, as no diet is perfect. Behind the praises lie several risks and drawbacks you need to be aware of before deciding to try it. Risk 1. Nutrient deficiencies. The carnivore diet can lead to deficiencies in vitamins and minerals, especially key nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, magnesium, and plant-based antioxidants. In reality, red meat contains very little vitamin C, an essential nutrient for the immune system and skin health. While it can be supplemented through organ meats like liver, not everyone can or wants to eat organ meats regularly. Risk 2. Cholesterol and heart health. Red meat, particularly fatty cuts, is high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can increase levels of LDL cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol. While some recent studies suggest that dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels, people with a history of heart disease or high cholesterol should still exercise caution. Risk 3. Digestive issues and constipation. The carnivore diet contains no fiber, a vital component for healthy digestion. Lack of fiber can lead to constipation, bloating, and disruption of gut bacteria. Some people may do fine without fiber, but many others may experience severe digestive issues. Supplementing with bone broth or probiotics might help alleviate these symptoms, but they are not a long-term solution. Risk 4. Monotony and difficulty in long-term adherence. There's no denying that this diet can be very repetitive and potentially boring. Eating only meat day after day may take away the pleasure of eating and make it challenging to sustain over the long term. Risk 5. High cost. Meat, especially high-quality red meat and organ meats like organic beef, salmon, and other animal organs, typically costs more than vegetables and grains. This can significantly increase your daily food expenses, especially if you need to consume large quantities to meet your energy needs. Is the carnivore diet worth trying? Whether the carnivore diet is worth trying depends entirely on you. Your body, your nutritional needs, and your health goals are unique. It may be a good option for some, but it's certainly not a one-size-fits-all solution. Always remember to consult with a nutrition expert before making any major changes to your diet. So, what really happened after 30 days of eating only meat? The carnivore diet can bring various health benefits like weight loss, increased energy, and improved digestive issues. However, it's not without risks, ranging from nutrient deficiencies to digestive problems and potential heart health concerns. The carnivore diet is truly a double-edged sword. For some people, especially those with digestive issues, inflammation, or who need quick weight loss, it can deliver unexpectedly positive results. But for others, it might pose significant challenges in terms of nutrition and long-term health. Final advice: think carefully before deciding. Before trying any diet, especially a strict one like the carnivore diet, the most important thing is to understand your own body and consult with a healthcare professional. This diet isn't suitable for everyone, and without proper guidance and monitoring, you may encounter severe and unexpected health issues. The carnivore diet might be a temporary solution to address certain health concerns, but over time, a diverse and balanced diet is usually the safer and healthier option for most people. Remember, health is not a destination, but a lifelong journey, and everyone needs to find the path that works best for them. If you found this video helpful and it gave you a better understanding of the carnivore diet, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts, or if you've tried this diet, share your experience with the community. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos about health and nutrition.